Hi friends, today we are discussing about Samsung Edge screen features in any Android mobile by using an app called Screen Edge. Now we are going to install this app from the Play Store. This is the app. The app is in the description. Link is in the description. We are installing this app. Let's open this app. Next one. Next. Got it. Uh, in this Edge screen settings, there are general settings. One is Edge screen service on off toggle button, and second one is allow notification toggle button. You should enable this both. And the main setting is Edge Manager. Here we can get different types of Edge screen in which we can edit, enable, disable from this section. Now Edge screen is a paid version available. We can purchase it from Play Store. Background settings, we can change the background as you like. You can change the color, transparency, and apply. Done. Now you can see the demo from this app from left side, sorry, from right side. We can toggle it. This is an app manager. This is peopleage, grant permission, allow. This is quick toggles. This is soft keys, calendar, get permissions. I don't have any. Screen recording, call logs, can get recent call logs. By pressing settings button, we can change at any time from this. This app look like an Galaxy Edge feature for any Android device. Please subscribe and share our videos.